My name is Narayana. Today I will tell you what is CAN protocol and how it is important in modern days, okay, in networking systems. So coming to the introduction part, I will tell you one by one as now. Okay, coming to the introduction. In today's interconnection of the world, um, communication is a vir- virtual and the communication protocol, the can is in a communication protocol. It is in a control area network, is a robust vehicles bus standard designs of a facilities of a communication among the various devices without any host computer. uh, I will explain you. One, can is in a communication protocol. It is one of the main protocol used in automotive domain. Okay, it plays a major role, and it was developed by the Robert Bosch in the year of 1983, and it is used in main first, after implementing it is used in bench or dilemma vehicles, in a first. uh, After that, in this present in this presentation, I explore you the significance of modern networking, how the can is used, and where we used, how to implemented the can, and how which domains are using can, and what are the benefits of can, and what are the uses of can. I will explain one by one. Okay, coming to what is can protocol. CAN protocol is a message based protocol designed from automotive domain and industrial uses or applications. CAN is developed by Robert Bosch in the year of 1983, I told you. And what are the applications of this CAN means, where we using, and which domains are using this CAN protocol. I will tell you one by one. Okay, first, in our, it is developed by automotive domain or industrial applications, but it is more uses in other domains also, like military vehicle mechanisms, or industrial mechanisms, or medical systems, or agricultural mechanisms, marine controls, or navigation slow uses, అలాగే I mean aviator control systems, like these different types of domains also using this CAN protocol. It allows the multiple microcontrollers, okay, at a time. Different types of microcontrollers are there to communicate with different types of communication, different types of microcontrollers to communicate with each other. Ante, uh, for example, we have four ECUs, and these four ECUs are using to communicate with one or each other. So this CAN protocol will allows to communicate with those four ECUs in. Okay. Next, with each other without a host computer. But in other protocols we have must and should have the host computer, and then only it will communicate with other ECUs. But if you not have a host computer also, this CAN protocol will allows the communication between these ECUs or different types of microcontrollers, enhancing the efficiency and reliability in the data transmission. It will allows the accurate data, and it is more efficiency to translate the data from one ECU to another ECU. It is very easily to understand also. Okay, next, what are the key features of CAN? In some key features of a CAN protocol, including the it is a high speed protocol, high speed communication, and it will detect the errors detections and messages optimization. These are the different features. In these features, the contribute to its efficiency in environments where the reliability and the timeline timelineless, because our it in CAN protocol it does not follows the time clock. Okay, it does not follows. time clock. I will tell you in few. I will tell you 2 minutes back. Also, what are the applications of automotive industry? Uh, why CAN is using automotive industries in present means it is a more efficiency. I will tell you. Okay, I told that, and also automotive industry is a heavily relies on a CAN protocol for the communication between the various components such as engine control units, airbags, and infotainment systems. These ensures the safety and performance in a modern vehicles. I told you once again, the automotive industries. It can plays a major role in automotive industries because it will transmit the data with in the form of messages, okay, in the form of messages and also serial communication, because in this form of messages we didn't or we can't miss the communication, because when we are using this CAN protocol it will gives the accurate data and its speed is more. For example, I will take the airbag. Okay, when the crash is happen, okay, when the crash is happen, the airbag will be opened within seconds. Otherwise, it is not used for the uh, it is not used for the people. Okay, it is not used for the customers also. Um, so these type of safety measurements will taking nowadays in modern cars. So to perform the accurate features or safety performances to use CAN protocol. Okay, next, industrial automation use of cases. Why you industries are using CAN protocol? I will tell you. In industrial automation, the CAN protocol is utilized for the mission controls, data accurations, and the system monitoring. Its ability to handle the real-time communication makes it ideal for manufacturing environments. Yeah, I will I will explain you this. Okay, in number of manufacturing industries are there. Our earphone industry or mobile industry, I will take. In mobiles, we are getting the uh, some automation machinery, some robots also making the mobiles nowadays. Okay, how it making, how to calculating that length, how to where to we place, and how to shouldering the components. These type of communication will goes to the CAN bus only. So it will shows the accuracy, and it will the speed is increases, so it will help to the robots to manufacture fastly. Okay, it will reduce the time also, so number of products will increases. So industrials also using CAN protocol. Next, benefits of CAN protocol. I told you some benefits also. In the benefits of using the CAN protocol includes reducing the writing complexity. It improves diagnosis and enhance the system capability. How the system is capable? For example, your system is 64 bytes, but you are downloading file is 84 bytes. How you are downloading? It's not possible to download. Okay, uh, how you know? In this CAN protocol will analyze that, it will analyze, and you will it will pop up the message from your screen. It is um, this file is not to download because of what, your system is 64 bytes, but you are downloading 84 bytes, so it is not downloading, and there is no storage for that. So these type of informations, and these advantages leads to lower cost and increases the production operational efficiency. I will tell you. Okay, what is the operational efficiency means. I give you an example also for that. 64 bytes and 84 bytes file, no. So these type of benefits will provided by the CAN protocol. How to downloading, why you can't download, why you can't access the file. So these type of information also given by the protocol because of accuracy. Okay, I will tell you what are the challenges of CAN protocol. It Despite its advantages, and CAN protocol faces a challenges such as a limited data rates and potential for the message overload. Understanding these challenges is essential for the optimizing its implementation in complex systems. Okay, I will tell you what are the challenges are there. Because CAN protocol will transmit only 8 bytes of data, because at a time it will transmit only 8 bytes of data. This is the one of the challenge from the CAN protocol. And data rates. Okay, limited data rates. I told you now, limited data rates means it will transmit only 8 bytes of data. Okay, and and it uh, and it cannot allows the overloading, because to in CAN messages we have different IDs. It cannot allow the same ID. Okay, if the if two messages have same IDs, it cannot allows. These are the challenges we'll have in CAN protocols. So next, future trends in CAN protocol. What are the futures? Future trends means what are the, if the CAN is developed, what are the different features. Yours is, for example, I will give you. You are buying a mobile. Your mobile will getting updates, right? So these type of updates will generate the new features. Okay, I get today my phone is updated, and I get some different features, because some navigation types are different types. So so that's in same scenario, the can also have a different features, in including the advantages like a can fd. Can fd means it is in a 64 bytes of data. It will transmit at a time in 64 of data. So these type of can fd, flexible data rates, which is allows to large data play role payloads and faster transmission rates, etc. So these different types of features also came from CAN. This evolution will enhance its applicable in emerging technologies. For example, we have the data. It is a 64 bits, and your CAN is only giving 8 bytes of data at a time. But we have to transmit 64 bytes of data. You can use CAN FD will transmit 64 bytes of data. So these type of features in is also in CAN protocol. Uh, interacting interacting CAN with IoTs. In nowadays, IoTs are Internet of Things. No, Internet of Things is more useful using in technologies. So in this integrating the CAN protocol with IoT, Internet of Things, um, devices can create a smarter systems in generating the enable real-time data exchanges, right? And enhance the monitoring capabilities across the various applications. For example, I will tell you, uh, your your mobile has a Bluetooth, and your friend mobile is also having Bluetooth. You are transferring data from your mobile to your friend mobile. How to transmit, by using Bluetooth. These type of IoT technology, it is a real time data exchange, right? And another example also I will tell you. In another example is smart homes. nowadays we are taking the smart homes, right? You are when we are entering the home, light will on, fan will on. These type of smarts, if you go outside, light will off and fan also off. These type of technologies are doing now. These are the real time exchanging or IoT, Internet of Things of a devices can be created a smart systems. So these are the integrating scan with IoTs. Okay, these applications also using CAN protocol. And best practices for the implementation. What are the practices where we use generating where we are using the CAN protocol means it is optimization. The use of CAN protocol, organization should follow the best practices such as a proper network design, regular maintenance, and through testing. These steps ensure the network operates efficiently and reliability. Because I will give you, uh, sorry for that. I will explain. Uh, in present day, can using protocols, right? Different organizations will using can network, and also how it will takes the perfect or efficiency reliable efficiency output. How it can take, because by using network designing, proper network designing for the CAN protocol, and also regular maintenance. How daily maintenance. For example, you buy a car, after 6 months you are taking to service, right? This this is also one of the maintenance, right? So these type of maintenance also followed by the organizations. For that, proper network designing, regular maintenance through testing. It will checking every day, how it is working today, how is working tomorrow, how is it working day after tomorrow, or day after yesterday or day after yesterday, or this type of the daily they are checking from the ensure that network operations is efficiency or not, reliability or not. Okay, next, successful CAN implementation. How can the CAN implementation is going? In notable cases, study involves a manufacturing plant that adopted the CAN protocol to streamline operations. The result was significant reduction in downtime and improved communication between the machines. Okay, it is adopted by the CAN protocol in manufacturing plants can adopted the CAN protocol to streamline the operations. What are the operations are doing? Or I told you, uh, robots are making the mobiles also. So I give the example right there. Same example I will give here also. That is the example for this particular CAN implementation also. Why CAN is using this streamline operations means to significant reduction in downtime, to reduce the time, to improve the communication between the machines, to communication, and the production is also increasing, right? If the communication is proper, for example, you are speaking to your mother or father, sometimes the signal is low, your voice is breaking sometimes, uh, because of signal or communication mismatches. Okay, uh, you are talking pure, your communication is good, uh, because of signal is proper. So these type of significance our manufacturing plants are taking to use the CAN protocol. Okay, this is the conclusion for the CAN protocol. I will uh, give you the total session from the CAN, how it is used, how to use, and how to implement also. In this conclusion, the CAN protocol plays a crucial role in modern networking. I told you again and again, especially in automotive domain or industrial applications, also useful. So, in this efficient communication makes the indispensable in today's technologies landscape. Thank you for the Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please message me or in WhatsApp. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.